Welcome back. High Court of Orissa has passed an order granting interim stay on the collection of stamp duty on the mining leases. Goa government has also followed the same pattern to raise revenue. Some mining companies have already challenged this move of the Goa government in the court.
After the interim ban on mining in the state of Orissa, government notified Indian Stamp Odisha Amendment Act 2013 to raise revenue for the state. Steel Authority of India and Mahanandi Coalfields Limited, major private miners like Tata Steel, EMIL, Rungta Mines, Jindal Group and mining lobby body Federation of Indian Mineral Industries filed petitions before the Orissa High Court. As per the petitioners' contentions, it is unacceptable to the existing provision of the Indian Stamp Act 1899, no presidential assent was obtained, state has power to impose duty on minerals and not on any instrument. If it does, then it encroaches upon the rights of the parliament. The collection of revenue only from some category of mining leases would create discrimination among the mining leases. While respondents argued, state has power vested under entry 63 of the state list and the concurrent list 3, provision has been made for refund or adjustment of stamp duty in the event of renewal of the lease deed. Listening to the arguments of both High Court of Orissa granted interim stay on the operation of the amended Stamp Duty Act.
Recently, Orissa High Courtaची order आयल्या तातून ओरिसा सरकारान प्रयास केल्लो स्टॅम्प ॲक्ट अमेंड करपाक की लिजीसचेर जास्त रेवेन्यू घेवपाक स्टॅम्प हे ड्युटी पूण ते ओरिसा हाय कोर्टान तांचे रद्द केले आनी ती शक्य ना तांकां करपाक सरकाराक स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाक ते पावर ना ते जर करूंक जाय जाल्यार सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाचे थ्रू जावंक जाय कित्याक दोन तातूंत गोश्टी आहा एक जाल्यार स्टॅम्प ॲक्ट इज सेंट्रल ॲक्ट आनी दुसरें जाल्यार MMRD itself contains a stipulation on how much stamp you can collect on renewal of leases.
Goa also faced interim ban on mining by the Supreme Court. Goa government notified stamp duty to raise money for the infrastructure and other social schemes of the Goa Amendment Bill 2012. Till now, the government has collected nearly 350 crore revenue. After hearing argument from both parties, High Court of Orissa has passed an interim stay order on the imposition of stamp duty on the renewal of mining leases. Court asked Orissa government to file affidavit within 4 weeks. Some mining companies have challenged Goa government's move to impose stamp duty. The Orissa precedent can have a far-reaching impact on Goa's treasury. With Bureau Inputs, reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
4 persons died on the spot on Friday night at Mahad in Mumbai. The accident happened when the bus collided with an oncoming trailer. Driver of the luxury bus Jolly and 3 persons on the trailer died on the spot. The bus was heading to Goa with passengers. All the passengers are safe. Around 20 passengers received minor injuries and were shifted to GMC for treatment.
It was a fateful night for the passengers, driver and the occupants of the trailer. At about 11:30 on Friday night, the luxury bus Jolly with Goa registration number plate was hit by an oncoming trailer. The impact of the collision was so strong that the bus driver died on the spot. All 3 occupants of the trailer also breathed their last. All the passengers are safe. However, 20 passengers received minor injuries. The injured passengers were shifted to GMC for further treatment. All passengers travelling to Goa then boarded another bus and were brought to Goa. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar and Minister Avirtan Furtado visited the injured passengers in GMC. With Bureau Inputs, reporter Pratik Parab for Prudent.
With an aim to provide an interactive platform between junior lawyers and senior advocates and jurists, Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa has organized a 2-day continuous legal education program at the High Court premises. Speaking at the inaugural function, Justice A.P. Lavande said that this program will help young lawyers to gain essential practical legal knowledge.
Justice A.P. Lavande, Judge of the High Court of Bombay at Goa, and Justice Mahesh Sonak, Judge of the Bombay High Court, on Saturday inaugurated a 2-day continuous legal education program at the High Court premises at Altino. On this occasion, Justice A.P. Lavande said that such type of program will give opportunity to both the bar and the bench to uplift the quality of legal proceedings.
Today everybody complains the standards of legal fraternity have gone down. When I mention about legal fraternity, it includes judiciary as well. Because ultimately the judges are also chosen from the members of the bar and they are not immune. It is high time for judiciary and members of the bar, as well as members of the judiciary, to introspect and find out the causes for this, and to find out the means to show that there is some improvement in the system.
Newly appointed judge of the Bombay High Court, Justice Mahesh Sonak, said that this program will help participant junior lawyers to learn professional technicalities from experienced senior lawyers.
Therefore, if we are serious about developing the skills of advocacy and in turn the skills of judging, then programs like CLEP are an absolute imperative. The quality of judging is directly proportionate to the quality of the bar. This is a great opportunity to sharpen the tools of your vocation, to clear the cobwebs in your mind, to refresh and to rejuvenate.
Young lawyers do need training. 3 years course or a 5 years degree course for law is like learning swimming. Once you learn swimming, you feel that you are a good swimmer. But when you actually get into the water, there are possibilities that you may simply drown.
With video journalist Chetan Gawas, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The High Court of Bombay at Goa has allowed Shekhar Desai to go abroad. Shekhar Desai is an accused in Mariano Mascarenhas' attempt to murder case. Mariano is a prime witness in Samir Mapari murder case.
The High Court of Bombay at Goa has allowed Shekhar Desai to go abroad for 3 months. The High Court has permitted this on the condition that he will deposit a bond of 10,000 rupees and an undertaking to be given by a surety. The High Court has directed Shekhar Desai to return to Goa and to report in Kuchade police station by 14th October 2013. Shekhar Desai is the accused in Mariano Mascarenhas' attempt to murder case. According to Goa police, Shekhar had attempted to kill Mariano Mascarenhas in February 2006. Mariano is the prime witness in Samir Mapari murder case. State prosecution also claims that Samir Mapari, who was working with the Desai family as a driver, knew about the attempt to eliminate Mascarenhas and he had been blackmailing the Desai family. They say this is the reason Rajesh Desai killed Samir Mapari in July 2007. Though Shekhar Desai had been acquitted by the trial court, state government has challenged his acquittal before the High Court. The High Court will hear government's appeal on 26 July. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.